Students, welcome back to the class. Today is day 9 of admission of a partner. Today we will discuss two questions regarding admission of a partner, long questions of 6 marks. The first question is question number 68. The question states that there are two partners X and Y who are sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. On 31st March 2018, their balance sheet was as under creditors of 50,000, provident fund of 15,000. देखिए provident fund divide नहीं होता है. Worksman compensation reserve of 40,000. It will be divided among the partners if there is no claim. अगर claim होगा तो claim provide करेंगे. जितना free reserve होगा that will be divided. Capitals हैं 2,60,000 and 1,35,000 की. Bank balance is their debtors, stock, premises and advertisement expenses. These advertisement expenses will be written off between partners in their old ratio. On 1st April 2018, Z is admitted as a partner. X surrenders 1/4 of his share and Y gives 1/3 of his share in favor of Z. So the sacrifice of X and Y is given. That will help us to find the sacrificing ratio and the new ratio of Z. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 1,60,000. Z will bring only 2/5 of his share of goodwill in cash. मीन्स जितना उसको गुडविल लानी चाहिए उसका भी केवल 2/5 लेके आएगा एंड 1,50,000 एज इज कैपिटल. टर्म्स क्या क्या एग्री हो रही हैं? प्रेमिसेस हिस्ट्री इंक्रीज टू 2 लाख रुपीज. प्रेमिसेस गिवन है 1,50,000, इट हैज़ टू बी इंक्रीज टू 2 लाख, तो 50,000 इंक्रीज करेगा. स्टॉक को इंक्रीज करना है बाय 5,000, अगेन अ प्रॉफिट. Creditors proved at 60,000. One bill for good purchase have been omitted from books. Creditors given has 50,000 के, but they have to be 60. So 10,000 का आपका liability में increment हो रहा है. Outstanding liabilities, outstanding rent 12,000, that is a loss. Prepaid salary of 2,000, again profit. Liability on account of provident fund was only 10,000, so there is a profit of 5,000. And the liability on worksman compensation claim was 16,000. So out of 40,000, 16,000 will be given as claim, and the remaining 24,000 will be divided between X and Y in their profit share ratio, old ratio. So the very first thing which we will find is how much sacrifice does X and Y will make, and what will be the share of Z. So if you can see, X is surrendering 1/4 of his share. That means X is surrendering 1/4 of 5 by 8, that is 5 by 32. Y is surrendering 1/3 of his share, that is 1 by 8. So the sacrificing ratio will be 5:4. Now if we have to find the new ratio of Z, what we will do? We will add on the sacrifice made by X and Y. That means 5 by 32 and 4 by 32. That means Z is coming for 9 by 32 share. Now the question is, what is the share of goodwill that Z has to bring? The firm's goodwill is 1,60,000 and Z's share is 9 by 32. That means he has to bring 45,000. But in the question it is mentioned that he will bring only 2/5 share. So out of 45,000 he will bring 18,000 in cash, and the remaining 27,000 will be chargeable by his current account. And it will be divided between X and Y and their sacrificing ratio, which is 5:4. So let's move to the revaluation account. In revaluation account we will write creditors and outstanding rent on the debit side because there is increase in liability, and benefits जितने आपके हो रहे हैं, जितने profits हो रहे हैं, premises, stock, prepaid salary and decrease in provident fund, these will be written on credit side. So total of credit side is 62, whereas that of the debit side is only 22,000. There is a profit of 40,000 which will be divided between X and Y in their old ratio, that is 5:3. Now coming to the capital account, firstly we will write down the opening balances, that is 2,60,000 and 135. The free reserves, worksman compensation reserve में जो free amount है, that is 24,000, that will be divided. Profit of revaluation will be written, and the advertisement suspense which was on the asset side in balance sheet 16,000, that will be divided between X and Y as 10 and 6. New partner is bringing his capital 1,50,000, that will be written on by bank 1,50,000. Now for goodwill Z has to bring 45,000, but he is able to bring only 18,000 in cash. The remaining he is not able to bring in cash. The sacrificing ratio is 5:4, so we will write buy premium for goodwill 10 and 8. 18,000 को divide किया 5:4 में, and for the remaining 27,000 we will write buy Z's current account 15 and 12. We will total and balance the capital. Now coming to the balance sheet, creditors now will be of 60,000, outstanding rent of 12, provident fund 10, liability on claim 16,000, and the capital, the closing balances of 3,15,000, 173 and 1,50,000. To find out the bank balance, what we have to do, we will the original balance 29,000 plus 18,000 for goodwill and 1,50,000 of capital. The total of bank will be 1,97,000. Debtors will remain the same, 1,80,000. Stock will increase by 5,000, that will be 130. Premises will increase by 50,000, 2 lakh. Prepaid salary write down करेंगे 2,000 and Z's current account, जितना अमाउंट गुडविल का Z कैश में नहीं लाया है वो उसका करंट अकाउंट से हम लोग शो कर देंगे. तो बाय Z's current account that will be 27,000 and balance sheet will tell you. In the similar way is the question number 121. P and S are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet was as follows. There is a bank overdraft, क्रेडिटर्स हैं, प्रोविजन. देखो यूजुअली प्रोविजन मिलता है डेटर्स में से डिडक्ट हुआ हुआ, यहाँ पे आपको लायबिलिटी मिलती है. इट इज द सेम थिंग. जनरल रिजर्व ऑफ 15,000. वीज लोन, वीज सम आउटसाइड ऑफ द बिजनेस, हिज लोन इज ऑफ 20,000 and capital of P and S 1 lakh and 1,80,000. In assets there is cash, debtor, bill receivable, stock, building and land. On 1st April 2020 they admit V as a new partner on the following condition. He will get 1/8 share in profit. His loan will be converted into his capital, means he will not bring any capital, but his loan of 20,000 will be converted into his capital. The goodwill of the firm is valued at 80,000 and he will bring his share of goodwill in cash. He is coming for 1/8 share, that means he will bring 10,000 rupees, which will be divided between P and S in 3:2. Provision for bad debts was to be made equal to 5% of debtors. अब देखो इसको यहीं पे सॉल्व करते हैं. Debtors हैं 30,000 के, you have to make 5% provision, that means the provision should be 1,500. The provision already existing is of 1,000, so only of 500 we will make provision only for 500 rupees. Stock has to be depreciated by 5%, it will be also written on debit side. Land को appreciate करना by 10%. Land is of 1,48,000, we will increase it by 10% to 14,800 का हो जाएगा profit. Now we will make valuation account. On credit side we will write land, buy land 14,800, and on the debit side we will write to provision for bad debts 500, to stock account 2,500, and the profit of 11,800 will be divided between P and S in their ratio. Now coming to the capital account, first we will write down the balances, that is 1 lakh and 1,80,000. जनरल रिजर्व था 15,000 का, डिवाइड करेंगे 3:2 में 9 and 6. रीवैल्यूएशन का प्रॉफिट लिखेंगे 7080 एंड 4720. वी बैंक में नहीं लेके आ रहा है अपनी कैपिटल, ही इज जस्ट कन्वर्टिंग हिज लोन इनटू कैपिटल, तो बाय वीज लोन 20,000 एंड फॉर गुडविल ही विल ब्रिंग 10,000, वो हम डिवाइड कर देंगे उनके सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो, दैट इज 3:2. टोटल करेंगे एंड बैलेंस करेंगे. बैलेंस शीट में क्या इफेक्ट्स आएंगे, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट चेंज नहीं होगा, क्रेडिटर्स आपके वही रहेंगे, प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेट्स अब न्यू अमाउंट पे 1,500, कैपिटल न्यू वाली 1,22,080, 1,94,720 एंड 20,000 रुपीज़. इन कैश इट विल इंक्रीज बाय 10,000. कैश पहले था 8,000 बट गुडविल का 10,000 प्लस करेंगे 18,000. बिल रिसीवेबल 40,000 सेम, डेटर्स विल रिमेन द सेम. Stock will decrease by 2,500, that is 47,500. Building will remain the same 90,000 and land will increase by 14,800. And this is how the balance sheet will tell you. So let's end up this video by this question. In the next video we will discuss hidden goodwill. Till then, take care and have a great day.